Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, I will tell you how to make your laptop a local server and how will you install WordPress on your own local website. For this, you need two things. One is you have to go to download the XAMPP software. It will be available in it is available in Windows, Linux, and OS. As I am using Windows, so its latest version is 8.0.3. I will click on this download, but I have already downloaded this setup on my desktop. The next thing that you will need is the WordPress itself. You have to go to the wordpress.org website, click on this get WordPress link, and then scroll down to this section and click on this WordPress 5.7 button, and it will download a zip file of the WordPress files. And now let's first we shall install the XAMPP software. It will ask for my permission. I will grant my permission. It will take some time to start the installation. This is made by Bitnami. Click on yes, click on next. There it will be installed in Windows Drive C, and XAMPP will be the name of the folder. Click on next. I will select English language. Learn more about XAMPP. I will uncheck this box. I will click on next. It will be saying that the installation will be start. I will click on next. It will start the installation procedure. Meanwhile, my WordPress file has been downloaded. I have right click on this and then extract to WordPress 5.7. I have already extracted it to this folder, and when I double click on it, you will see that a folder named WordPress has been created. I will double click on it and you will see all the WordPress files has been extracted to this folder. I will tell you how will you add this to your website in a little bit moment after this XAMPP software will be installed. Guys, it is almost installed. Let's wait for a few moments so that the complete installation will be done. And finally, the XAMPP software has been installed. It is asking me, do you want to start the control panel? I will check this box and click on finish, and here you can see this panel has been started. On this panel, I will click on Apache and click on my SQL, and as you can see, it is asking me to allow from my laptop firewall. I have requested it to do that, and both these has been started. And now I will come back to my local Google Chrome software, and I will click on I will write localhost /php myadmin, and here you can see my PHP has been opened, my database has been opened. WordPress needs a database in which it will store all the data, its posts, pages, plugins, information, etc. So firstly we will create a database for our website. I will click on this new and I will write the name of the database like database _1, and I will select I will click on collection and I will click on create, and as you can see this database _1 has been created. Now let's we will as you already know, I have extracted my WordPress. I will click on this and click on copy. I will go to my C drive where my XAMPP software has been installed. I will double click on it, and on this this folder I will see an htdoc folder. I will double click on it. I will right click on it and I will paste my WordPress folder here. It will take some time to copy. Let's wait for it so that it will be copied to my folder, htdoc folder. It is being copied to my XAMPP folder. As you can see, it is being copied to C drive, XAMPP folder and htdocs folder. It may take some few seconds to copy. This is the folder that I was copying, WordPress. As soon as it will be copied, I will rename it folder to more familiar word like my site. I will right click on it and I will rename this as my site. I will click on enter and I will go to this Chrome and I will click localhost / my site. This is the name of my folder and I will click on it. It will be loading and basically it will be connecting to my website, and after loading it has been shown this page. I will click, it will be asking for my language. I will select English United States. I will click on the continue and it will be asking me to configure the database. I will click on let's go. As you know, the name of the database that I have created is database_1. I will write database_1. By default the username is root. I will delete all this password and I will click on the submit button. It says alright Sparky, you have made through this part of installation. Now the database, now the link between the database and the WordPress has been created. I will click on run the installation button and it will start installing the setup of WordPress on my local computer, and it will ask for my site. I will write my site, username is admin. I will write password is admin. Use confirm the password. Here I will write my email ID and I will click on discourage search engine from indexing and I will click on install WordPress. When I click this button install WordPress, it will start installing my WordPress, and you can see this page. It is written as success. I will click on login and let me show. This is the admin, this is the page for accessing the dashboard of the WordPress, but I will tell you how to look for your website. Is it installed or not? I will write on local host my site and I will click on it, and you can see this is the front page of your website. Now you have a website, WordPress based website installed on your computer, and this is what will be the users will see. And when I click on now if you want to access your dashboard, you will just write localhost / my site / wp-admin. I will write, and this is the page which you will get to log in to the dashboard backend of the WordPress. I will click on this login button. Sorry. When I write the password, correct password, it will redirect to my dashboard, and this is the dashboard of your WordPress website. This is for post, media, pages, appearance, plugins. You can see themes and customization, all the changes that you will want for your website. It will be available on this. Hopefully you will find this website, this video a good one. In the next website we will create in the next lecture we will create our first post and first page, and we will dig deep in WordPress installation. Thank you.